Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by collecting parts and confirming voltage levels. You need an Arduino, a TTL GPS module, and a GSM module with a SIM card. Once done, wire the GPS TX to the Arduino RX and GPS RX if you need two-way commands. Use a level shifter when modules are 3V. Then wire the GSM TX to an Arduino RX and GSM RX to TX. But do not power GSM from Arduino 5V. It draws peaks. Plan an external 2A supply. You now write and upload code to bridge modules. Start by including tiny GPS++ and a serial library. Use hardware serial where possible for reliability. Initialize serial ports with correct baud rates. GPS often 9600, while GSM may be 9600 or 115200, so make sure the code matches. Once running, parse NME sentences to extract latitude/longitude and verify with serial prints. Then issue it commands to the GSM to register network. Once you finish by securing power and reliability. Use a dedicated supply for the GSM module rated for current spikes and add decoupling capacitors. Ensure a common ground with the Arduino. Once done, implement software retries, check signal strength with it plus CSQ, and add startup delays to let modules boot. Make sure antennas are connected and SIM has credit/data. If things go wrong, check the SIM antenna placement, baud rate mismatches, and shared ground first. Those four fix most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.